don't have any cutlery, and the only convenience store we could get to didn't sell anything that I can use as spoons, so I'm using skewers. And the bells are ringing.
Make sure you stir it good.
Shut up. Such a glamorous cup to be stirred with chopsticks. And the boys are just finally waking up. Poor Jackson was sick last night. Well, he wasn't feeling very well last night, but he seems to be fine this morning.
This is hot. Yum.
No, give it to me. I'll drink it. Poor Jackson was throwing up quite a bit.
He threw up like 6 times.
I think he overheated on that last flight. Poor thing. I was feeling pretty guilty. What the hell have we done?
We gave him plenty of food and water and he threw it all up.
I think we fed him too much food though. We were giving him like cheese, chicken, because we felt bad for him, and then I think it made him worse. Jackson and I are still a bit jet lagged, laying in bed. Just trying to feel a bit guilty. I'm laying here while Ryan cleans the windows. Good. Just left Jackson and Ryan on the boat. I'm gonna go to get some groceries. It's about a 25-minute walk though, so wish me luck.
How'd you go?
That was a trek. Boy, you hit.
Gentle.
Oh, geez.
You're up, boy.
Getting it slowly.
How much did all this come to?
25 euro. Time to make some lunch. Look at how yummy this bread is. Our stove isn't working. Our gas isn't hooked up. Haven't really been to a proper grocery store yet, so we're eating pretty basic at the moment. This is what we did when Mom was here when we were in Italy. We literally just had bread with deli meat and cheese and fruit, and that was it. And it was me. So that's what we're gonna do. I walked all the way, and I'm freaking thirsty. There's no like big grocery stores nearby. They're all like little markets. That's it. It's great. It's unreal. I'm gonna cut these up later. And we have vinegar left over from the guy who owned the boat before us. We don't want to use it for food, so I'm gonna make my own homemade cleaner with vinegar and orange peels.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Ready? What is it? Does it smell alright?
Actually, dog, it smells really nice.
What would you like to say about today? Hey!
The boat had sand all over it and I washed the whole thing, scrubbed it, and then I polished all the stainless steel. And that's pretty much it. Walked the dog 3 times.
I walked halfway across the island to get groceries. Do you know how long it takes to get groceries from a place you've never been before and nothing's in English?
Yeah, going for ages. I was so hungry.
So...
This is it. This is our life.
Our TV doesn't work yet. Ryan can't figure out how to make it work, so we're gonna put a movie on the laptop. Don't go that close, I look disgusting.